And we have another Forex signal for you here on your favorite YouTube channel, Leading Forex. Last week, we weren't able to come your way with a signal. Please forgive me. The unfortunate thing was that I was down with cold. Even if you hear my voice, you will realize that there's still a bit of cold, but I'm getting better. And so this week, in order not to disappoint, I decided to come your way with a new Forex signal. But unfortunately, our last 2 weeks signal actually didn't give us a win. We lost 2 signals in our last 2 weeks signals that we gave. If you remember, last 2 weeks, we gave signals on AUD-USD and then NZD-USD. We lost those 2 signals. So this week, so far as I wasn't able to come your way last week, I decided to give you 2 signals in this week. If you are ready, then let's go straight forward and look at our signals for this week. But before then, if you still want us to do a review of last 2 weeks signals, which we lost, I can still go there and let you know and let you see how the trade went. But the 2 signals we gave last 2 weeks was a loss. Now, so far, we've given 10 signals on this channel. There is a playlist, Forex Signals. If you go to that playlist, you will see all the signals we've given so far, 10 of them. We've won 6 and lost 4. Last 2 weeks, 2 signals that we lost added to give us the 4 losses. So 6 wins, 4 losses. It is not that good, but we are still ahead. We have some 200 pips to our credit. If you remember, we said that we are always going to give a take profit of 100 pips and a stop loss of what? 100 pips. I hope you remember that. Good. So this week, we have 2 signals. I want to cover up last week, which I couldn't give you a signal. So expect 2 signals today in this video. Take your time, watch this video to the end, and I'm sure you will understand our analysis and the reason we give either buy or sell in terms of our signals. Is that okay? Good. Let me go straight to the signals that we have for you this week. So quickly, our signal for this week is going to be EURUSD, EURUSD, and then EURCHF or EURCHF. EURUSD here, and then EURCHF. These are going to be our 2 signals for this week. It is going to be something very interesting, all right? Good. So let's not waste much time. Let's go to the MT4 and look at our signals. Today, I'm kind of laughing. I'm kind of smiling. The reason being that everything is back on track. And so let's see how this week will go. But in case you are new on this channel, please listen carefully. There are some rules to these signals that we give. Rule number 1, make sure if you are seeing this for the first time, you will try these signals on your demo account, okay? We don't do anything without at least testing to see whether what you have seen is good or not. So I will advise that before you even trust these signals, make sure you test it on your demo. And sometimes I say you can do this for a month or 2, 3 months, at maximum 6 months, okay? Then you can now have confidence to say, okay, these signals are good to use or they are not good to use, okay? So if you are new, this is the rule that we give out here. Rule number 2, we always give a stop loss of 100 pips and a take profit of 100 pips. That is the ratio of 1:1. And I always say that I will do a video to explain why I give out that ratio. But if you want to know how you can use this signal on your small account, then this is what I have to say. If you have a $100 account, okay, or $50 account, Okay, these are the smaller accounts that I can just mention. Okay, if you have $100 account or $50 account, and you choose to use a lot size of 0.01, that means 100 pips stop loss will give you $10. And then 100 pips take profit will also give you $10. So you are risking $10 for $10. Okay, that is if you want to use a lot size of 0.01. So even if the trade goes against you 100 pips, you have lost $10. You still have $40 in your account in case you are using $50 as an account balance. If you are using $100, you still have $90 in your account as account balance. If you are using 0.02 as a lot size, then 100 pips stop loss will give you $20. So if you lose $20 on your $50 account, that will be left with $30. If you lose $20 on your $100 account, that will be left with $80. If you use a lot size of 0.03, then 100 stop loss or 100 pips stop loss will be 30 pips. Sorry, $30. That's 0.03. That will be $30. That is if you should lose. If you should win, that will also be $30 to your credit. Okay. Now, if you use a lot size of 0.04, $100, if you should lose 100 pips, that will be $40. If you should win 100 pips, that will be $40. If you use 0.05, that will be $100 account. $100 account, if you should lose 100 pips, that will be $50. If you should lose 100 pips, that will be $50 with a lot size of 0.05. If you should win 100 pips, that will be $50. Do you understand? So if you should use a lot size of 0.06, 100 pips stop loss will be $60. Is that okay? If you should use 0.07, 100 pips stop loss will be $70. If you should use 0.08, 100 pips stop loss will be $80. If you should use 0.09, $100 stop loss, 100 pips stop loss will be $90. If you should use 0.10 or 0.10, 100 pips will be $100. This is the standard I can give you. So decide if you have a smaller account. Ask yourself, would you want to use 0.01 or 0.02, 0.03, whatsoever? That will be your decision to take, okay? So decide based on this analogy and choose the right lot size to use to test these signals that we are giving to you here. Now, all this said and done, let's go and look at our trace for the coming week. This is EURUSD on the monthly time frame. Now, if you should look at EURUSD on the monthly time frame, there are three main things I would like you to take note of. The first one has to be this support area, and then this one here, and then currently the last monthly candle, which is the March candle. And if you look at it, there's some kind of line we can draw, which is a trend line. Okay, EURUSD has been in a consolidation phase for the past few years. This is it. It's been consolidating here. All right, on the monthly time frame, this is what it is. So having this as your main structure, then you need to look at this support areas that we are seeing here. And currently, we are seeing a similar thing. And we believe that after seeing this retracement, we believe that we may have a buy upwards. Okay? We may have what? A buy upwards. So because of that, EURUSD, we are looking at a buy. If we come to the weekly time frame, this is weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you can see a similar thing. This is weekly. You see this here, you see this here, and that over here. You get it? Good. So this is what we see on the weekly time frame. Two support areas, and then the third one is being tested. Like I said, you can see the whole consolidation. All right. So this is it. So we are targeting Euro USD for what? A buy. Euro USD for a buy. Now, if you look at this carefully, you will see that the past 3 weeks, Euro USD is trying to go up. It's trying to go buy. The last week's candle closed in a bullish form. So we still believe that this week coming, we will see Euro USD in bullish. So Euro USD for the coming week, this is on daily time frame, okay? This is on daily time frame. So Euro USD, we are buying, okay? Euro USD, we are what? Buying. So if we are buying, we are setting a take profit of 100 pips and then a stop loss of what? 100 pips. Is that okay? A take profit of 100 pips, a stop loss of what? 100 pips. So the entry price right now is 1.10445. 1.10445. This is going to be our entry price. So once the market opens, if your swap is not that huge, or your spread, if your spread is not that huge, once the market opens, you enter. But if your spread is huge, you may have to wait till your your spread is closed. Once the gap for spread is closed, you can go buy on Euro USD. Now, so this is the entry price. So if this is the entry price, what will be our take profit? Our take profit is going to be 1.11445. 1.11445. 1.11445. That will be our take profit. And our stop loss is going to be 1.09445. 445. So 1.09445 is going to be our stop loss, and our take profit is going to be 1.11445. Our entry price is 1.10445. So Euro USD buy. We are looking at a buy with a take profit of 1.11445 and then a stop loss of 1.09445. Is that okay? Good. Now let's quickly go to our next signal, which is EURUSD, which is Euro CHF. I have even entered this trade already. As you can see, I have entered this trade for a buy already. So Euro CHF is also, if you look at monthly time frame, look at it. Euro CHF on the monthly time frame is on a very strong support. A very strong support at this area. That is Euro CHF on a very strong support. Now, if that support is going to hold, then we must see it here. Now, the current candle, which is the last monthly candle on the monthly time frame, has given us a doji candle. And those of you who have watched my tutorials in terms of doji candles, once you spot a doji candle, then on a support, especially on a support, then the possibility that that trade is going to go the opposite direction is very high. Now, this has been on a sell. So spotting a doji candle, which is here, a monthly doji candle on a very strong support, means that we are expecting to see what we call a buy or reversal of the trend. So Euro CHF, we expect a buy, also a buy. I have already entered a buy on this trade already. So if I go to the daily time frame, this is what it is. As you can see, on the daily time frame, the buy has already begun. And as you can see, the buy move is on. So we are expecting to buy Euro CHF or Euro CHF. And that one is also a take profit of 100 and then also a stop loss of what? 100. Okay. So with a stop loss of 100, our entry price currently is 1.022. Sorry, 0.2239. That is our entry price. 1.02239. That is our entry price. So once the market opens and then your spread is not huge, depending on the broker you are using, if your spread is good, then you can easily enter this trade. But if your spread is wide, you may have to hold on for a while until your spread is closed. Then you can take this trade. So this is going to be our entry price, 1.02239. So our stop loss is going to be 1.01239. So our stop loss is going to be 1.01239. 1.01239. That is going to be our stop loss. So our take profit is going to be 1.03239. That is going to be our take profit. 1.03239. 1.03239. 1.03239. That is going to be our take profit for EURUSD. So this week, it's going to be very simple. Very, very simple. These are our two trades we have for this week. Now, like I said earlier, if this is the first time you are seeing our signals, make sure you put this on demo. Test the system or the signals we give to you here and see before you can go ahead and put them on your live account. All right. So this is our two signals that we have for you in this week. We are in the month of April. Today's date is April 2nd, Saturday, April 2nd. So let me wish our dear Muslims that are watching us on this channel, Ramadan Mubarak. Ramadan Mubarak. Today is actually the day the fasting has started. So Ramadan Mubarak to all Muslims watching us on Leading Forex YouTube channel. I wish you all the best in your Ramadan fasting, and we pray to make some monies so that when it gets to the end of the fast, we can make a feast and enjoy together. Okay, so I wish you all the best in your fasting. But to you, the Christians, happy Easter, because this is the month of Easter for Christians. So 2nd April is the date. I'm giving you the date so that whoever watches this in any other year or month will be able to do a back testing to see if indeed the signal went good or bad. All right. So my name is Kofi, your admin for this channel. I will see you as the week ends, and then we'll come back and do our analysis to see whether we won or we lost.